Nah, Eli nih. Ah, pasti ngasih nih lihat serangga. Don't get so mad, sis. You don't want to get gray hair, do you? Hey, where are you going? It's always a good idea to have the doctor look at you if you're feeling very tired. Take care of yourself. By the way, do you realize there's someone hiding behind you? Don't get so mad, sis. Still is so much trouble. I'm sorry, he's a bother. Don't get so mad. All I did was show you a bug. Nggak, cewek kan takut sama serangga ya. Don't you know I hate bugs? So maybe you would like that one. Don't play game with me, Stu. You understand me, don't you, Jun? You're a boy like me. Aduh, ini apa ya, guys? Step dulu dah, takut gue. Oh, udah. Kayaknya salah, guys. Biar dia naksir kita gimana ya? Ngapain gue siram, kocak?